I have a lot of 35mm slides that were taken throughout the 60s and 70s, maybe even some in the 50s. So I purchased this scanner, the Epson V370, to convert those slides into digital pictures. And it will even turn negatives into pictures. So it's a pretty cool scanner. Got the cables and the power supply. And this is the tray that you would put the negatives or the slides on so that you can scan them and convert them into pictures. The software. And of course the scanner itself. So there it is, the Epson V370, which I purchased for the sole purpose of converting all of the family slides and negatives into pictures. One thing about doing the negatives, some old pictures may be deteriorating and fading and changing in color, but the negatives will give you a nice crisp, clear picture just like the day it was taken. So it's always nice to be able to convert those negatives back into pictures.